No, you all right, man. What's going on, y'all? We out here finna set these lines. Got my boy Busy B over there tying up one. What's up, Brandon?
What's up, baby? Shit, somewhere fishing. Get you some big old hole, man.
Hopefully we can have old fish fry. Busy B setting that line, putting that live bait on there. Shit, we in don't know if y'all can see that. We in 11 feet of water right there. We go to water temp. Shit, we trying to get it today, man. River up a little bit, chop it. Look good out there. Stay tuned, man. Hopefully we pull up some monsters, man. Well, y'all, gonna try to continue where I left off yesterday. My buddy trying to listen to music on the Bluetooth speaker. Dropped my damn iPhone 10 in the water. But had to leave early, go to Best Buy, get another one. But I'm out here, got plenty of bait. Bought some bait poles this time. So I'm gonna set them, see what we got. A river up, boy. Somewhere fishing. Good fire going. First line check wasn't no good. Look like I might have one on this one.